Hare Krishna. I need to confess, probably you couldn't notice that. My eyes are looking as usual, but honestly I can't see almost anything. Like maybe less than 10% of everything that a person with a good eyesight can see. And today in the morning I got darshan of Radha Madhava, and I had lenses in my eyes as I usually do since I'm 15 years old. And by the mercy of Krishna, I have a chance to do the surgery now in Jaipur. So I will see how I will be able to see the world in 2 days. I'm excited and a little bit nervous, but I hope everything will go well. Hare Krishna, good morning. Today morning starts with japa as always, but today I have to stay at home with my eyes closed, and I have to wear these glasses and stay in the dark room and not use phone, nothing. So it's like kind of austerity for me, but I hope that tomorrow I can get darshan of Govindaji and Gopinath in the morning. Thanks. Yeah, Radha and Krishna for this mercy to restore my eyesight and to feel a normal person. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna is the next day, morning. I'm still advised to keep my eyes closed, but we visited the doctor. He said that the operation went very well. Everything is okay. And I cannot be responsible and recommend this clinic, but I can say that my experience was very positive. It's Memorial Eye Hospital in Jaipur, and the treatment was really nice, the service, the attitude, very, very cool, very perfect. And I want to say a special thanks to Mataji Sapna. She's like mom to me. We visited her in Mumbai maybe like 4 months ago, even more, I don't remember, yeah, in July. And she told me about the possibility of this operation, and actually due to her help I was able to do this operation and to see clearly now. If before my eyesight was less than 10%, I saw everything blurry. I couldn't go outside without lenses or glasses, but now I can see by myself, get darshans of the Lord, do seva, and I'm really feeling like great having this change in my life. So I'm very grateful to Krishna, to his mercy, and to the devotees' hearts, which are so kind and caring. Have a beautiful day, Radha Shyam. And tonight we are going to have a darshan already of Gopinath or Govindaji, we will see. I'm happy. Namaste,